The question says when potassium permanganate is reduced with oxalic acid in acidic solution, the oxidation number of manganese changes from. First of all, we write down the chemical reaction. We have potassium permanganate, that is KMnO4. Okay, it is reacting with oxalic acid, C2H2O2 is there. Okay, this is the chemical formula of oxalic acid. And keep in mind, this chemical reaction is taking place in acidic medium. The structure of oxalic acid is COOH, and this is also COOH is there. This is dicarboxylic acid. Okay. This reaction taking place in acidic medium, and we have learned that potassium permanganate participates in a chemical reaction in three different medium: acidic medium, basic medium, and neutral medium. Always keep in mind, when potassium permanganate, a manganate ion, participating in acidic medium, it always converts into Mn2+. Okay, participating in a chemical reaction in basic medium, it converts into KMnO4 and it is 2-, and participating in neutral medium, it converts into MnO2 is there. Very interesting information. Okay, so since this chemical reaction is taking place in acidic medium, it means permanganate ion is converting into Mn2+. So here we have Mn2+ is there. We got Mn2+. Okay, that's it. From this information we can answer the question. But anyway, if you want to complete the reaction, if you calculate the oxidation number of carbon, it is present in +3 oxidation numbers. Okay, and highest oxidation number of carbon is what? +4. Since oxalic acid is undergoing oxidation reaction in the presence of strong oxidizing agent, so there should be increase in oxidation number of carbon. Okay, and when its oxidation number increases, so highest oxidation number of the carbon in the product is supposed to be 4 only. This is how this oxalic acid converts into CO2, because carbon is present in its highest oxidation number, and we have learned increase in oxidation number is always oxidation reaction. So you can see carbon is undergoing oxidation because there is a increase in oxidation number of carbon. Very interesting. But anyway, we don't need to go for the product formed by the oxalic acid. Okay, focus on the manganese. Question says oxidation number of manganese changes from. So we can calculate the oxidation number of manganese on both sides of the equation. Pay attention here. 4 2 is 8. Each oxygen is what? -2, and potassium is what? +1. So we got +7 is there. +7. Manganese is present in +7 oxidation number. Other side, manganese is present in +2 oxidation numbers. Okay, +7 to +2. You can see the oxidation number of manganese changes from +7 to +2. We got option B. Option B is correct. Okay, but remember this information. Potassium permanganate can participate in 3 different medium in a chemical reaction: acidic medium, basic medium, as well as neutral medium. And in all these mediums, it gives a different number of transfer of electron.